Transportation in Animals and Plants, Part 1. Circulatory System. Hello friends, do you know that we need food, water and oxygen to stay alive? How does the food, water and oxygen reach the different parts of our body? Have you ever tried to hear your heartbeat? Keep your hand on your chest and try to hear the heartbeat. Have you ever seen the blood vessels on your hands? What is their work? Come, let us go with Sarita and Rama to their school where a doctor has come to conduct a checkup. The objectives of this video are A. To understand what is blood and getting information about its component. B. Getting information about blood vessels.
Children, today a Dr. Didi will come from the hospital in the village. She will conduct your annual health checkup.
Okay, teacher.
Shyam is absent today also?
Teacher, I had gone to his house yesterday. He had high fever. His mother told me that his blood tests have been conducted.
Okay. Thank you, Sarita.
Teacher, why has Shyam's blood gone for getting tested?
Rama, sometimes when we are unwell, the doctor get our blood tests done to find out what disease do we have. Come children, now go in pairs and get your checkup done. Rama and Sarita, both of you go first.
Come, children. What is your name? Hello, Dr. Didi. My name is Sarita. Sarita, now you take a long and deep breath. Now give me your hand. Dr. Didi, can I ask you a question? Yes, sure, Sarita. One of our classmates is unwell. His blood tests have been done. Can you tell us why his blood tests were conducted?
Didi, my mother says that if I eat green vegetables, it will help in increasing my blood. I do not like spinach at all.
You girls have a lot of questions. Let us do one thing. Once I finish checking all the students, I shall sit with all of you and answer all your questions. We shall understand about blood and blood vessels.
Dr. Didi checked all the students one by one. Then she collected all the children.
Come, children. Now all of you are doctors and I am your patient. Rama and Sarita, come here. Take my stethoscope and doctor's coat and conduct my checkup. Wow! Children, all of you are conducting the checkup very efficiently. Today, Rama and Sarita had asked a few questions about blood and its functions. Come, let me answer those.
Dr. Didi goes and gets a poster of the circulatory system from the biology class.
Didi, what are these blue and red pipe-like tubes?
These are the blood vessels and the heart is in the center. Do you know, children, how many times does our heart beat in a day? No, Didi. Our heart beats 1 lakh times in a day.
Our heart does a lot of hard work. No doubt it is the strongest part of our body.
Yes, you are right. The heart works like a pump. Because of the pump, blood flows smoothly to all the organs of our body. Didi, isn't blood a liquid like water? Yes, children. Blood is a liquid like water. It has different types of cells suspended in it. The fluid part of blood is called plasma. It constitutes 55% of the blood. Plasma is yellow in color.
What about the rest 45% of the blood? What constitutes it? And if plasma is yellow, then how is our blood red?
Didi, my older sister is in 11th standard. She was telling me once that blood constituted of red blood cells.
You are right. The blood has one type of cells known as the red blood cells. They contain a pigment known as hemoglobin. It is because of this pigment that our blood is red. Similarly, like because of the presence of chlorophyll in leaves, they are green in color. Very good. It is a wonderful simile, Sarita. Didi, once I had a lot of weakness and the doctor had said that the level of hemoglobin had reduced in my blood. Yes, children, hemoglobin does not only give the color to the blood but also binds with the oxygen and transports it to all parts of the body and ultimately the cells. The doctor had prescribed me to eat green vegetables and fruits. Yes, because green vegetables are rich in iron and iron helps in the increase of hemoglobin.
Oh, so this is the reason why my mother asks me to eat spinach. Now I understood.
My sister had told me that along with red blood cells, there are white blood cells also present in the blood.
Yes, children, the blood also consists of white blood cells or WBCs. They are also known as soldiers of our body. The soldiers of our body? Why is that? What do the soldiers do?
They protect our country.
Yes, similarly, the white blood cells, also known as the WBCs, help our body fight with various diseases.
Oh, what happened, Sonu? Look, your finger is bleeding.
Nothing much. My finger got stuck in this shelf. Come, let me apply some Dettol. Didi, when we fall or because we get hurt, our blood starts oozing out. But after a while, it stops. But there is a formation of a clot there. Why does this happen? There are another type of cells present in the blood known as platelets. The clot is formed because of their presence.
Friends, like we need good roads for transportation, similarly, how does our body conduct transportation of various constituents?
We had read in the chapter on respiration that oxygen is transported by the blood and it also carries the carbon dioxide and undigested food too. Very good observation, Rama. The blood conducts transportation with the help of the blood vessels. These blood vessels are known as arteries and veins. Look here in this poster. These red arteries carry oxygen-rich blood from the heart to all parts of the body. And these blue-colored veins carry carbon dioxide-rich blood from all parts of the body to the heart. In this poster, the arteries are seen to be further dividing into smaller vessels. Yes, children. On reaching the tissues, they further divide into thinner tubes known as capillaries. The capillaries join up to form veins which empty into the heart.
Didi, the heart does the most important job in our body. It keeps beating throughout the day. Can you please tell us about its functions?
Yes, sure, children, but I have to return back to the hospital now. You all try and remember all the information I have given you today.
Thank you, Dr. Didi.
The Dr. Didi gave such interesting information. All the children had become like doctors. All my questions were also answered. But I want to know, like Rama, that how does our heart keep beating without stopping for our whole lifetime? We will look for the answer to this question in the next video. We shall meet soon, friends.